I get it. There are two things you aren't wanting to do right now to grow your coaching or healing business. One, you don't want to dump tons of money into ads right now. I get it. Two, you don't want to give away your valuable services for free just to entice people to hire you. You want to get in front of more ideal clients, but on a budget and with respect of your value. Cool, because you're in the right place. Most coaches and healers are empaths and sensitive souls, and as sensitive souls, you may see people who really need your services but can't afford you. And it's really easy to get caught up in giving your services away for free. But that won't help you in the long run, and often you will end up resenting the fact that you gave your expertise, knowledge, and time away for free. So today, I'm talking about how you can create free resources to give away for free that will actually help you grow your business instead of giving away free services that will end up draining you and only attracting, honestly, the people who can't afford you. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am Chelsea Fournier, aka your intuitive business mentor. In this space, we talk about how you can design and run an online business that you love and that loves you back. And that means bringing your knowledge, gifts, and expertise out to the world as a coach, a healer, a helper, and earning a living doing what you love. As you explore the videos on this channel, you will find inspiration, encouragement, and very practical tips and tutorials on how you can launch or grow a business online, from tips, pricing, software, and tech. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and get notified when new videos come out weekly. Here's the deal. There's a big difference between giving your services away for free and strategically creating free resources that will attract your ideal client. If your goal was to provide as many free services to people who need your support as possible, this would be a very different video. But since you are here to learn how to earn a living doing what you love, I have a feeling you're okay with the idea of charging for your services, even if it still makes you a little squeamish. It's okay. Instead of giving away free sessions or spots in your paid workshops or big scholarships, right? I want you to put in some time to create a helpful free resource that will be appealing to your ideal client and be a nice downsell for someone who's not at a place of being able to work with you yet. So what could be a free resource and how will it help you grow your business? I want you to picture this. Someone goes to the link in your bio or your social media or to your website, and you have a very clear and compelling title and headline about something that is a sexy first step for them. This person has found you, been referred to you, stumbled across you. They're not quite ready to book for a free call to talk about working with you. So how can we capitalize on their interest and that they're drawn to your energy and methods right now? By offering them a free thing that they can do on their own time to get a taste or sip of what it's like to work with you. In the past, there's been a lot of bro marketers who put out really crappy free things that truly didn't deliver a level of support or transformation. And maybe that made you feel weird about creating free resources, like it was going to be a little bit of a bait and switch or sleazy tactic. But that doesn't have to be the case. You can create really simple and beautiful resources that will be something that your ideal client wants now and a week from now and a year from now. So the beauty is that once you create it one time, you can refer to that link to anyone who would be a good fit ongoing. Let's go over some specific examples of what you could create as a free resource, and let's look at some from my clients and members. It could be a guided meditation specifically crafted for your ideal audience. For example, to empower empaths to set boundaries. A root chakra mini course that helps bring principles of yoga therapy to the student and introduces them to chakra work. An intuitive eating guide to help your ideal client tap into intuition when it comes to their body. Microdosing mini course introducing concepts of safe and effective use of psilocybin sacrament and trauma healing. Recorded breathwork sessions to help someone create a daily practice with breathwork. A quiz that helps someone understand if they're highly sensitive and what is unique about them. Or maybe even an ebook to help someone journal and track their health and wellness concerns to bring up with their medical provider. As you can tell, these are very specifically tailored resources that are bringing unique knowledge and expertise out to a very specific audience. And it should be a natural precursor to what you ideally want to be selling to the person who subscribes, because not everyone who subscribes to get that free thing is going to work with you right off, but you want to tee it up so that if they love the taste of what you've given them, the next step of the sessions, the packages, or the programs you're going to introduce to them is like an easy hell yes. So if someone is an ideal client, it's really fun if you can see them like, oh, they subscribed for the free thing. and they just upsold to the course and now they are booking a call with me, you can see how this can actually start to grow your business. Ideally, you set up some email sequences that the subscriber will receive after they get the freebie so that they keep getting to know you and are nurtured and invited to take next paid steps with you. You can also use the digital real estate of PDFs or buttons below materials or thank you pages in that funnel to introduce people to additional offerings. How lovely would it be to be out there and just see like that ping, 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 someone signed up, someone booked a class, someone signed into a course, someone got onto your calendar because you've been in your maybe social media or your organic marketing promoting this freebie, and then it's doing the work for you on the back end to deliver. This is what's possible as you lay a solid foundation of a client journey, starting from a free resource that is truly compelling to your ideal client. And you know what? On the flip side, if there's someone you interact with that you know can't afford to work with you, but you really want to help them, imagine how empowering it would feel to give them a link to where they could get a free taste of your work and encourage them to tune into your other free content on social media, YouTube, or podcast. I call this striking a balance between growing the purpose side of your work and the profit side of your business. Now, of course, you may have a bunch of questions popping up, and you're welcome to put the questions below, and I'll make future videos about them. You also might want to start having this kind of conversation on a more regular basis and really personalize what kind of freebie you're currently making or working on. We can do so inside of the intuitive business community if it resonates with you to start working on this in that more intimate way. If you're more on the DIY side of things and want to do some healthy binge watching or going through the resources I have created, of course, check out the description below. You can pop over into any of the free resources I have created just for you on how to earn a living doing what you love. And if you just want to do a healthy little binge watching, make sure to check out the next video that I'm sharing with you, because when you combine what you learned here today with what you're going to learn in the next video, it will be 10 times more powerful, more potent, and you'll be able to get into action to be able to grow that business that's going to bring both out your purpose and the profit to your business. Have a great rest of your day.